Hello traders. Welcome to my channel, AM Trading Tips. Today I am going to share with you my favorite Forex and Binary trading M4 indicator. Using this one indicator, you can trade on both Forex and Binary market. Let's look trading rules of this indicator. But before we go ahead, be sure to don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video and enable all notifications, so that you don't miss on any of our new videos. So let's look trading rules. Buy trade is to be taken only when the buy arrow signal is received at the support level or near the support level. Similarly, when the sell arrow signal is received at the resistance level or near the resistance level, then only sell trade is to be taken. Trading with the trend is always beneficial, and trading against the trend is always harmful. Avoid taking sell trade near support level and buy trade near resistance level. For binary trading, use candle time frame 1 minute and expiry will be 5 minutes. For Forex trading, use 15 minutes to 4-hour candle time frame. Stop loss and take profit place according to the system guideline. Avoid trading during news release time. Best trading time: European sessions and New York sessions. This indicator system can be used on any currency pair. I hope you must have understood this trading rules. If not, then it doesn't matter. We are going to see examples of some live trade, so that you will definitely understand. We request you to watch the complete video, so that you can get to know better how to trade with this indicator. So let's start now. Here is perfect sell trade setup as per our recommendations, because here price reverse from resistance level and sell arrow appear. So let's see whether this trade gives us profit or loss. Join my Telegram channel to download this indicator for free. The link is given in the description below the video. Here we have won the trade. So let's wait till we get the other perfect signals as per our recommendations. Here is perfect sell trade setup as per our recommendations, because here price reverse from resistance level and sell arrow appear. So let's see whether this trade gives us profit or loss. Here we have won the trade. Well guys, that's enough for today, and I hope that this indicator will be useful for you. And that this video will help you to earn more. In return, I just ask you to like the video for 2 seconds and subscribe to the channel. It really only takes 2 clicks, but it means a lot to me, and you can also watch my other videos. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video, and I wish you a good luck, goodbye and happy trading.